Welcome back, Nail Crew. Happy Friday. Today I have a semi-portable drill that I'm going to review for you guys. And in the end, I want you to tell me if it's a pass or some trash. All right, Nail Crew, so here is the drill. It says it goes from 0 to 30,000 RPMs. That is super fast. I think that's what most of my drills go to. 30,000 to maybe even like 35,000 RPM. So that's, that's a good quality drill speed. We just have to test it to make sure that it works well. And I'm just showing you the sides of the box. I like to give you guys the full flavor of the box, the full packaging. It's a whole experience. You got to experience the whole box before you get inside. So the bottom doesn't really have anything on it. Let's get inside the box. So here's a little leaflet inside. Lightimetunnel is what it says. After sale service card. So if you have any issues with it, you could contact them. And it has their warranty information, has their contact information down there at the bottom. So that's pretty cool. I love when companies do that. And then here is the instructions. Now, to be honest, y'all, I don't be reading instructions. I'm that girl. Like, I don't like to read instructions. I like to just do it. Let me just do it. Let me figure it out. If I get stuck, then I'll refer back to the pamphlet, but nah, put it to the side. All right, so this little drill here came with a mask. Come on now, it comes with a mask. How exciting is that? I have so many drills. This is the first to come with a mask, and it's nice and stretchy, a nice, good quality material. Listen, thumbs up to that. And then, of course, it comes with a little brush. I love that. Those are extras. None of my drills, and I have good quality drills, none of them come with the brush, and none of them come with the mask. So what's going on here? What's really going on? And that brush is cute too with the little rhinestones. All right, so it also comes with, I'm trying to get it out this box, but girls, when we have these nails on, when we have these nails on, it just don't do right. All right, so it comes with some drill bits. And so let me show you guys. The one here on the left is the mandrel. And so you're going to have these little brown sanding bands. See those on top? So it looks like the ones to the left are maybe a medium to fine grit, and then the ones on the right are coarse. If you look closely, you could see the difference in grits. And then, so yeah, just some different drill bits right there. You guys can play with them if you get this drill. And let's see what else we have next. So these little pink things are pretty damn cool, guys. These are pretty cool. This is dust stoppers. It prevents the dust from getting into the drill. So I'm going to play with that later, and I'll show you how to use that. And then here is the plug. So let me untwist this little thing here. What I think is cool about this plug, y'all, is that it allows you to plug this drill into the car. So let me show you guys what I mean. So you see this little part here? Yes, that could go right into the car charger port, and you could file your nails on the go. Like, hello. Not drive and file, guys. We're not going to drive and file. But if you were in the passenger seat and you had to do you get it. You get it. I'm sure you get it. All right, so here is the controls. You could go forward, you could go reverse, and then you could go high speed or low speed right there on the little plug. And look at the little handpiece. It's so small. It fits in my hand like a marker, like one of those big markers, and it's pretty light. I like it so far. So good. Thumbs up, but we still have to test it. It feels really good in my hand, like a pencil, like it just feels comfortable in my hand. Like, I don't know what else to say. It feels comfortable in my hands. So I'm just going to go ahead and plug this up so we could give it a little test. So it's plugged up, and I'm going to flip this little switch on. And let's just listen to it. Let's just see. I have it in reverse, and I'm going to turn it up. And I'm going to turn it down. And what I'm listening for, just like I do with all my other drill videos, is to see if it's going to stall, see if it's going to stop, see if it's going to make like any weird noises. So far, so good. All right, so I want to play with some drill bits now, but I don't want to open up that pack. I want to keep those new, and I'm just going to use one of my old ceramic drill bits. Going to pop that right inside, and let's just see. It fits well. The drill bit that I used, my standard drill bit, fits well, so great. No issues there. And let's just see what it sounds like with a drill bit inside. All right. I mean, it's so powerful. It's so powerful. Look at that. I'm turning it up. Oh my God. That is so powerful, guys. Oh, that's crazy. That's crazy. Oh my gosh. I wasn't ready for that. That's so crazy. Oh my goodness. So far, so good. I'm impressed with this little drill. I'm impressed. It's small, it's lightweight, and it seems powerful. But I have to build a nail to really test it out. So that's what we're going to do right now. I have Miss Becky. Miss Becky has been missing for a while, y'all. I got Miss Nala, and I forgot about Miss Becky. But no. Miss Becky said, hey, y'all. Hey, I missed the nail crew. I missed the nail crew, so I had to bring Miss Becky back. So here she is, and I'm just clipping these nail tips into her. These nail tips, guys, are the best that I have found. They are not perfect. If you file too hard, they will still pop right out, but they stay in longer than the other ones that I have tried, okay? So I'll leave a link below. If you want to try them, they were not expensive at all. Now, here's the thing. On the thumb, when you put the tips in, they don't stay on the thumb. So if you take the little fleshy piece off and then you put the nail tip in, it stays in, but it looks ugly. It looks ugly. So I'm going to go ahead and tuck that thumb in the back. I'm going to tuck it in the back so nobody sees it. I mean, I just got to do what I got to do, okay? All right, so now as promised, I'm going to show you what this little pink thing is for, the little dust stopper. All you do is you put it on the drill bit and pop it right into the drill, just like that, like simple, just like that. And it stops the dust that you will create, because we're going to create dust, like we are going to create dust. It stops the dust from getting into the drill. So I think that is super smart. So far, this drill has came with dust stoppers. It's come with a brush. It's come with a mask. I mean, gosh, come on, right? Come on. Now let's see if the drill works. So I'm just going to file Miss Becky's nail. Right now I'm using a diamond drill bit, and this drill bit is safe for the natural nail plate. So I'm going to use that to remove the shine off from Miss Becky's nails. And I'm checking to make sure that when I touch this drill bit to the nail, that it does not stop, it does not stall, it does not make any funny noise, and it does not vibrate, okay? So that's what I'm looking for right now, and so far, so good. Okay, so far, so good. I'm quite surprised by this drill. I'm quite surprised. Thumbs up to you. It's working well. It's working well. I like it so far. Feels good in my hand, and it's not vibrating. So, yeah. If you guys are looking, you guys are seeing, I'm putting light to medium pressure, and it's not stalling or stopping. And yeah, like, what else can I say? It's getting the job done. All right, so let's go ahead and glue on some tips on Miss Becky. I always use nail forms. I have been using so many nail forms, but let's just do tips today. Let's just have fun and let's just do tips. To glue on my tips, I am using the base that comes with my dip kits. I have about 3 or 4 dip kits. The base is just a resin, a nice thick glue, and that is what I use to glue on my tips. I use it all the time. I do not buy extra glue. I just use the base from my dip kits, and it works out very well. It works out very well. So guys, if you need a good glue to keep your tips on your practice hands, just use the base from your dip kits. Once the nail tip is applied and the glue is dried, then you want to file down the ledge that it creates. So you see that? It looks nice and flushed and even with the nail plate. That's what you want to do, okay? And then we're going to go ahead and apply our Prep and Clean Dehydrate and our primer. So you always want to use a primer. If you don't have a dehydrator, you can make your own. I will link my video below on how you can make your own, okay? And then we're going to go in with the acrylic. Today I am using Mia's Secret. And I just want to point out, if you're new to acrylic and you're looking like, oh my God, that is drying so fast, I don't ever want to try Mia's Secret, it's scary. No, don't be afraid of it, okay? It is drying really fast, but it's not the product. The reason why it's drying fast is because I have my lights on, guys. I have 3 lights on, and we all know that if the monomer is warm, it will dry the polymer, which is the acrylic powder. It will dry the powder quicker, okay? So that's why it's drying so quickly, and I have to work so fast. I'm so uncomfortable with the speed that it's drying at. But I got to do what I got to do, because if I don't have these lights, then you guys won't see it. And then it's going to be a big mess anyway. So I got my acrylic on. My nail is nice and dried. I am going to switch to my ceramic drill bit so that I could file the nail. And you know what? I just noticed this little black piece here. I think that is equivalent to the pink piece. I think these ceramic drill bits have the little stopper, the dust stopper already on there. Ding, light bulb moment. I never knew that. Wow. Okay. All right. I just figured something out. Boom. And if that's not what it's for, guys, let me think so. Let me feel like I discovered something. Don't tell me in the comments, no girl, that's just color coded to tell you that it's coarse versus mild versus whatever. I figured something out. Let me feel like I figured something out, okay? All right, ladies, so far so good. The drill is working. There's no shaking, no vibrating, no funny noises. It's just doing what I'm asking it to do, which is file a nail. Like, it's filing the nail. It's doing what it should do because it's a drill and it's drilling. So, yeah, I mean, I don't know. I have nothing bad to say. What do you guys think so far? Is this a pass or a trash? Let me know down in the comment section. Just say pass or trash. Now, right now, I'm going to try to change the shape, but I don't want to do a stiletto or a coffin because I did that in my last drill video. So I think today I just want like a tapered square, just to taper in the sides just a little bit. So let's try to do that, because that's important. When you're using a drill, not only do you want to file the surface of the nail so that it's nice and smooth, but you also want to be able to reshape the nail with the drill if that's what you so desire. Like, not everybody wants to shape nails with a hand file. I hate shaping nails with a hand file. That takes way too long for my little slow self. I'm still new. I'm slow. I'm slow. I need that drill to come in and give me that speed, honey. Okay, so I'm testing it to make sure that if I needed to file and reshape a nail, the drill is powerful enough to do that. And so far, so good. And I did not even have to turn it up. Sometimes when you have a cheap drill and you want it to do like things like shape a nail or bring down a lot of bulk, you have to turn it way up. But I'm still working at that middle range, and I did not have to turn it up in order to reshape this nail. So that is another plus. That is another plus, guys. It's working at the middle range and it's not giving out. So now I'm going to go ahead and try to just give myself a little bit more of a square look, like flatten out the tip, make it nice and flat across, just to test it out to see if I can do it with this drill. Looks good. Yes, it's working. What do you guys think? What do you guys think so far? Pretty good, right? So far, so good. So far, so good. I'm loving it. Now, I did speak to the rep for this drill, and she said she was going to give me a coupon code or have like an Amazon sale, you know, or tied around the time that I post this video. I don't know how long the sale will be, and I don't know how long my coupon codes will last. Like, my coupon codes aren't good forever, and sales on Amazon aren't good forever either. So, you know, if you try it and it works, great. But if you wait like 3-4 months and it's not working later, like, there's nothing that I could do about it. So if you're in the market for a drill and this is the one you want, I would suggest you get it while, you know, there's a working coupon code, okay? All right, so now I'm switching back to, and I have this little rubber piece, the dust stopper, on it again. And I just want to point this out to you guys in case you get this drill. If that rubber piece is touching the drill too much, it stops it from rotating. Like, that makes sense, right? It's going to apply friction. So it's going to make a weird sound, or it's not going to spin right. So you see how I have just like a very tiny space between the rubber stopper and the drill? That's all you need. It's just enough space so that the drill bit can rotate without that rubber piece stopping it, all right? And so if you do it like that, you won't have any problems at all. All right, so now that the nail has been filed and it's been buffed, I'm going to dust off all the dust. Now, I don't want to use the little duster in the case that came with it because it's so cute and I want to give it away. I'm going to give it away. So I'm just going to use one of my old brushes to dust off all the dust, okay? Then I went ahead and sprayed the nail with some alcohol, and I'm using just a little manicure brush to get all that dust and everything off from around her nail. And now I'm going to go in with some top coat. Now, I don't know where Miss Becky thinks she's going with one nail. She got one nail, but we're going to make it look cute. We're going to shine that one nail up, okay? So I'm applying this top coat. This is a Yogi top coat, and I'm applying this to Miss Becky's nail because even though it's one nail, she still want to be cute, okay? And this is what it looks like. The drill did a really good job. I have no complaints. It worked well. And of course, I got to go in with my very own cuticle oil. I just have to. I got to plug my stuff too. You know what I mean? All right. So I'm just going to apply the cuticle oil all around the skin around her nail. Make sure she doesn't get any hangnails. Make sure that her nails stay nice and healthy looking. And that is it, guys. That is it. Tell me what you think about this semi-portable drill. I'm calling it semi-portable because it's small enough to fit in your pocket. Like, you could definitely put this drill in your pocket. But you still need to plug it in. So it's portable, but not fully portable. So that's why I said semi-portable. You know what I mean? So let me know what you feel about this semi-portable drill. Do you like it? Would you purchase it? Have you tried it before? I don't know. Let me know. What do you think? Was this a pass or a trash? I really want to know you guys' opinion on this drill. So don't forget to drop me a line. And here's another video for you guys to watch. Stay with me all weekend long, guys. Don't leave me. Don't leave me. Click on this video quick. Click on it now.